A Bolero vehicle registration number TR08A1719 loaded with cement lost control and overturned near the Ram Thakur Ashram area in Santirbazar. Fortunately, no major injuries or casualties were reported among the driver, co-driver or bystanders. According to the driver, the accident occurred when he abruptly swerved the vehicle to save a speeding motorcycle. The incident drew a large crowd of local residents and has once again raised serious questions on safety and traffic management on this busy road stretch.
গাড়িতে কয়জন ছিল? দুজন। কই নিয়ে যাইতেছিল নাকি? শান্তিবাজার।
Bureau report Chini Khorang.